How to check IMEI number in your mobile phone. Let it be iPhone or Android phone, the process is nearly same to same for the both formats of mobile phone here. So for doing this is my iPhone. What you have to do is simply click on the setting and open your setting in front of you on your iPhone. From here, I will do nothing, just click on the search bar on the top of screen and search about. Whenever you will click about, you will see that this is my phone's all the details right now here, my model number, my serial number, and all the other details. And scroll to the very down on the bottom of screen, you will see IMEI and IMEI2. These two are numbers you will see, and this is what I was finding. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for watching more technical updates, videos and reviews like this.